Further afield, our reporter Marlon Samuels takes us on a journey to Liangzhu, a breathtaking archaeological site that unlocks the secrets of China's ancient past and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing tourists from around the world.
Nestled in the heart of Zhejiang province, the Liangzhu Ruins are a testament to China's sophisticated ancient civilization. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features impressive remnants of a once thriving city, including intricate water management systems that showcase the ingenuity of early engineers.
It's also the earliest water conservation system in China, and it's also one of the earliest in the world. And also we can see that it's very important for us because we can know how the Liangzhu people to build the dam, to build the water conservation system. And it's also gave us a good lesson to the modern urban rice management.
Visitors can explore ancient jade artifacts, massive dikes, and relics that reveal how the people here mastered water control thousands of years ago, a skill that still influences China today. Whether you're a history buff or a curious traveler, Liangzhu offers a fascinating glimpse into the past, combined with scenic beauty and cultural richness. It's a must-visit destination that rivals the world's great ancient sites like Greece's legendary ruins, offering a captivating glimpse into China's rich history and ingenuity. Come experience the timeless stories that shaped a civilization and continue to inspire the world today. Reporting from the Liangzhu Ruins in Hangzhou, China, I am Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.